What's up guys? In this quick video I want to show you one specific thing right now that gives us the biggest clue into what's coming next for XRP. I spoke about this specific thing a few times here and there on the channel. No one really paid attention to it, but it is really important guys, what I'm going to show you right now. It's not what you expect. Definitely watch this video until the end. And by the way, look at this incredible view right now. I'm here in one of the Spanish islands. I'm on a hike, but that of course doesn't hold me back to make these updates whenever it is necessary. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're still here, if you appreciate the content, if you appreciate the view. Let's get into it. Okay guys, this is the XRP to gold ratio on the weekly time frame. So this is not against the US dollar, but this is XRP basically priced in gold. Now, why is this chart super important and maybe even the most important chart to look at right now? Well, that's because whenever XRP bottoms versus gold, it usually also bottoms versus the US dollar. So by looking at XRP priced in gold, we can basically get a very big clue into what is about to happen for XRP versus the US dollar. Now, down below we have the RSI indicator on the weekly time frame, and you can see that whenever this RSI hits oversold, so I would say below 32 or so at this horizontal green area, that usually coincides with the market bottom, not just against gold, but also, as I said, against the US dollar. Now, if you look at the left hand side of the chart, that actually happened in 2020. So once again, the RSI hit oversold here on the weekly, and that was the exact low for XRP versus gold and also versus the US dollar. And XRP basically outperformed gold in that specific bull run by 800%, and it outperformed the dollar even more. Now, fast forward also here in 2022 around June, XRP bottomed here against gold, so we went deeply into oversold on the RSI. And we also bottomed priced in gold and also priced in the US dollar. Also in 2024, as you can see, we also hit oversold. So XRP outperformed gold by 520% and it outperformed the dollar even more. Now, what is important right now, guys, is that XRP once again here versus gold hit oversold on the weekly time frame on the RSI. So the big question right now is this the bottom against gold, and is this the bottom against the US dollar? Well, I can tell you for certain that it is. Now, historically and also in terms of a risk-reward ratio, we could be at or very close to the market bottom against gold and against the US dollar. So this is definitely one of the most, if not the most important chart to look at right now, if you want to get a clue into what's coming next for XRP and possible for other cryptocurrencies as well. Now, before I talk about this chart, guys, if you're looking for a reliable exchange to use, then I would highly recommend the Phemex exchange. Phemex is a partner of the channel. You can find the link down below in today's video description, and they're currently offering big sign-up bonuses to my audience. Another huge benefit from my referral link is that your trading fees are going to be among the lowest in the industry. So check Phemex out if you're interested. Official link down below in the video description. Now, the last chart that I want to show you here is XRP on the weekly time frame against the dollar. And as I notified you in yesterday's video, XRP unfortunately broke below the EMA ribbons on the weekly time frame, which is of course a strong sign of bearish momentum. So in order for me to confirm that the short-term trend has flipped back bullish, back to the upside, XRP would need to break $2.26, because that is actually the upper line here of the EMA ribbon. So if we break $2.26, which is still a little bit far away from the current price, but if we do that, then that could be strong confirmation that the trend has shifted from bearish into bullish here in the immediate short term. So that is the current level to watch right now. That was it, guys, for today's XRP analysis. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, of course. I think we are getting very close to the low in the market. I just can't tell you when price is exactly going to reverse. All I know right now is that, I mean, the risk-reward ratio, the ratio versus gold, is getting very attractive. If you're looking for a reliable exchange to use, I use Phemex. I'm very satisfied, never had any issues. They're offering big sign-up bonuses right now. Official link down below. Check it out if you're interested. I want to thank you all for watching, for the support, guys, and I see you very soon with another XRP update. Bye-bye.